How to make guaranteed profits with binary options with a super simple strategy. No indicators, no complicated technical tools. Hi guys, Joe here, and in this video, I'll show you how to make guaranteed profits with binary options without using any indicators. Now, let's just be clear on a few things before we proceed. And I'll ask that you give your full attention to this because it's even more important than the strategy itself. In fact, if you follow what I'm about to tell you, you'll be able to make money with binary options even if you don't get to use the strategy I'll be sharing in this video. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any new videos or some exciting subscriber exclusive contests and giveaways. Right, so here's what you should keep in mind if you're to make real money with this strategy or even just binary options for that matter. 1. If you want to turn $50 into $15,000 within a day and be Scrooge McDuck rich by next week, then I'm sorry, this video won't help you, and it's not like there's actually any that will. Many people lose money with binary options because they expect to make so much in so little time, and more often than not they're met with the exact opposite. So have realistic expectations. 2. Practice just one strategy at a time rather than employing different strategies all at once. So while trying out this strategy, you may spot a sweet opportunity to make a trade based on another strategy that you know. And whether or not it works, you don't get to make much progress, if any, on the main strategy you're trying to learn. Bruce Lee said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." So focus on one thing at a time. 3. Have a risk management strategy. Have a target profit you are looking for in a day or a week. Maybe just 10%, 15% profit per day, and you stop trading once you get there. Before you do any trading, you need to set a limit to the amount of money you allow yourself to lose at a time. You see, a streak of 3 or 4 losses going up will mess up your nerves such that you're likely to sway away from the strategy and possibly blow your account in the end. So if things don't seem to be going your way, don't try to fix it right then, but take a long break from trading and get back when you have a fresh mind. In which case, you're less prone to emotional trades. 4. This is the most important, guys. Think like a casino, not a gambler. You look at this as a long-term business, not something you're just trying out. Now, most of us trade like gamblers in the sense that we look for winning streaks and perfect strategies, and if things don't go our way, we make irrational trading decisions that will spell catastrophe for us in no time. But when you think as a casino, you keep a cool head in the face of losses because you know that with patience and the right strategy, you get your money back and make a profit in due time. By the way, that's what I mean when I talk of guaranteed profits. Guys, it's all a game of probability. It's a numbers game. If you're still looking for a way to completely avoid losing trades, newsflash. There is no strategy that can guarantee a win on every single trade. Unless, of course, you're Dr. Strange.
I just went forward in time to see all the possible outcomes.
But the idea is to set up a statistical advantage and have significantly more wins than losses. Anywho, let's dive into the strategy and we'll dig deeper into all these things in other videos. And if you've learned something so far, please hit the like button and let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, so I'm using the IQ option trading platform. There's a link in the description if you don't have an account. Just make sure you try all this with a free demo account before you use real money. And if IQ option is not available in your country, leave a comment and I might be able to recommend a broker for you. Alright, so after picking an asset, the only setting we need is to choose candlesticks, time period 2 minutes, and that's it. Alright, so this strategy is a short-term reversal system, meaning you identify a clear trend but only trade when it starts going in the opposite direction. So if you see an upward trend, you wait for it to start going down and you place a put option. When you see a clear downward trend, you don't place a put option, but you wait for the direction to go the other way and you place a call option. And there are many short-term reversal strategies, but the one we're looking at today is called the double red strategy, and soon you understand why. So here's how it works. When you have an array of green candles going up and you see 2 red candles, the trend is likely to go downwards for a while, and so on the third candle you place the put option. When you have an array of red candles which is a downward trend, but you see two green candles, chances are the trend is about to go upwards, so you place a call option. Just remember to trade when the trend is clear and well defined. You trade when things look like this, not when things are like this. And guys, this is very important. The expiration time of your trades is very crucial to the use of candlesticks. In our case, since we're using candlesticks with a time period of 2 minutes, our expiration time has to be 2 or more minutes, but not so far above that. Also, it is said that trades with longer expiration times are easier to predict than short ones, which appear to give quick profits but with unpredictable risks. So I'd suggest you play around with different expiration times and candle periods and see what works best for you. Now guys, there's just so much to say about this strategy and one video can't be enough, so I'll end this one here, but I'll be sharing more tips on this so that we can perfect this strategy together. Remember, have realistic expectations, practice just one strategy at a time, have a risk management strategy, and trade like a casino, not a gambler. Thanks for watching, bye!